Good morning, students. Welcome you all in Jayavant Public School and Junior College. I am Rupali Chalwadi, your English teacher. Today I will going to explain you English poem, The First Tooth. Okay, the title of the poem is The First Tooth. So it has been written by Charles and Mary Lamb. So the poet over here is Charles and Mary Lamb. So this poem is about a little boy and his baby brother. So, my dear students, it is actually a short, humorous poem where the speaker is a little boy. So, he may be 6 to 7 years old, and the little boy, as a baby brother, want to express us feelings. Okay. So, this baby brother gets full attention of the house. So now, before I explain you this poem, let me recite the poem first because this poem is having only one stanza. So we can call it as a sonnet also because first 6 line and then again the 8 lines, total 14 lines are there. So we can call it as a sonnet also. So we will recite the poem. Through the house, what busy joy, just because the infant boy has a tiny tooth to show, I have got a double row. All as white and all as small, yet no one cares for mine at all. He can say but half a word, yet that single sounds preferred to all the words that I can say in the longest summer day. He cannot walk at if he put with mimic motion out his foot, as if he thought he were advancing. It's prized more than my best dancing. Okay, so in this poem, the poet here, the speaker, the boy says that his parents are eagerly waiting for their son's first tooth. So what the speaker want to tell us? The speaker here, the baby brother, gets full attention of the house. The poet here want to tell us that his baby brother gets full attention of the house. So one day what happened? The baby got his first tooth and everyone in the family is excited. The speaker is very surprised about why everybody is excited about the baby's tooth. So what the speaker want to tell us that why everybody is giving full attention to his brother, how the baby walks, talks or do other things, but nobody even cares him. So what he want to tell us that nobody even cares him. He can talk, walk, even he can dance better than his baby brother, but nobody even cares him. What the speaker want to tell us that he notices and he observed the family, that everyone in the family gives more attention to his baby brother but not him. Okay, so what he notices that how he can talk, walk, even dance. So that he observed that everybody is giving more attention towards his baby brother. Okay, so he has even got the two full beautiful rows of teeth. So what he want to tell us that he got two full beautiful rows of teeth. So it means that actually this little boy also wants a full attention of his parents. So again here the poet wants to tell us that he also wants full attention of his parents. Okay, he too wants to be pampered like his baby brother. So what we observed in this poem, that but it seems that he has forgotten that once he was to a baby. So what he forgotten? So what we observed in the poem, when he was child, at that time his parents also given more attention and pampered to him, but he forgotten everything. Okay, so what we observed in this poem, that the baby, how the little baby got full attention, and the baby little boy observing. So here we can see that how the little boy also got full attention and pampered when he was child, when he was baby. Okay, so this is all about the first poem. So my dear student, this was all about the short poem, the first tooth. So please recite this poem and understand it and enjoy reading it and recall your childhood days. So what you have to recall your childhood days means you have to recall your childhood days when you were child, that time how your parents given more attention and pamper towards you. Okay, so thank you.